We're an old school manufacturer. Most people don't think about it, but the back end of a truck, like a fire truck or a work truck or something like you see over my shoulder here, that is all made to the specifications of whatever crew that needs. So what we do is we bring in flat sheet steel or aluminum. We'll use a laser to cut it, we bend it, we weld it, we paint it, and then it becomes a box. Once you get the box right, now you start adding equipment to it. Now you're into safety, now you're into efficiency, now you're into ergonomics. This is a classic example of the beginning and the end. We take an unfinished vehicle like this, and that's what it looks like at the end. Phenix was started in 1978 by my business partner's father. We started in a small facility in Monrovia, California. We're really proud of our history. We're proud that we've come from a small company of 6 people, and now we're at 200. We're proud of the fact that we're a minority-owned business. What Phenix has become is a solution provider, from pickup truck equipment and adding aftermarket equipment to it, all the way up through high content equipment that includes compressors and generators and cranes and backhoes and things like that. We can just sit down with any fleet manager and just ask the general question, what is it that you need? Being able to participate in the electrification of California. These are opportunities that a lot of people don't get, that a lot of companies don't get. And we feel really fortunate that because of the partnerships that we have, we're able to do that.